Henry C. Bear, an enlisted man with the 116th Illinois Regiment, served under General Ulysses S. Grant and General William Tecumseh Sherman during the war. A Republican voter and supporter of abolition, Bear wrote home to his young wife at their farm near Oakley. Much of his letters dealt with the roughness of camp life.
January 3rd, 1862. I bought a dime's worth of onions this evening. I mean to go heavy after them. I naturally have a longing for onions. We had a pot of beans today, the first since Christmas, and the first of anything else but crackers and a little bacon, and that I can't eat. Many a meal we got nothing but coffee and crackers. I can stand it. I believe I can live on mink shanks if I have to, but a great many can't stand it. Lots of the boys look slim. There are only 35 reported well this morning. It goes hard to part with Jones. That rainy night chilled him too much and gave him a congestive chill, and the treatment he received from our surgeons. They are perfect cutthroats. The bloody hounds would just as soon a man die as not. Henry C. Bear.